Hello again, YouTube. Today I'm going to have a look at tools on the workbench. I'm not going to look at the tools themselves, it's more the how to organise them. I've got a bit of a problem on my bench. Like everybody who does technical stuff, my work area is quite untidy. The bench here might look nice and clear, but that's because I need somewhere to work, so this bit gets kept clean. Everywhere else all around me is a bit of a riot, and it's a common problem for people in a technical field. What I do have an issue with is my tools and drivers and snips, and what I've been doing for the last while is just using these pipe clips, and that sort of works, but maybe not really. As you can see, it keeps them handy, but it's not very well organised, and sometimes things fall out, like especially the solder pump. If I'm down here doing something with the soldering iron, that will happen, and my stuff gets knocked onto the floor. So I'm going to try and organise this a bit better. You know, I thought I could have a piece of timber here and drill lots of holes in it and shape it, or I could a piece of plastic and drill holes, and I thought, well, what if I change tools, or what if I buy a new tool? That's always a problem. So I came up with this concept here. This is a din rail, so it's just standard 35mm top hat din rail that you'd find in any consumer unit or in any comms cabinet or controls cabinet. You've got the bracket at the top, and then there's a release clip at the bottom, so this holds it on, but if I squeeze the release clip, it brings that back and it lets it release. So this idea was, well, if I've got my spudger and I want to mount the spudger there, and I've got a driver, and let's see, I've got these little drivers in here, and they just sit in the tub with all the bits, which isn't ideal. I thought, well, I use this all the time, so these are my most common tools. This is why I've done these three first. The other thing I use a lot is these cable strippers. So I've got them just mounted on it, just hanging on a little nail, and I thought, well, I could put that on like so. So I have my din rail on the shelf now. I've left enough space so that the top end of the profile can fit in above it and clip in like so. So if I put that screwdriver in and put the other one in next to it, you see they're fine, but they touch, so if I wanted something else in the middle, I could just loosen it and move it and put another module in. So that's another spudger model, and that's now plenty of space, and I can put my spudger in there instead. So I'm going to design some more, so to fit my snips, etc. And if there is anything that you think that that would be a good idea to add to the range, then let me know, and I'll see if I can add it and make the designs available on Tinkercad. This is where I've made these, and the links in the description below will take you to the STL files for these, so you can print your own. I have applied a Creative Commons non-commercial, non-derivative license for now, simply because if these work really well, then I'll probably look at making them and selling them on eBay or on Amazon, somewhere like that. So for the moment, that's the license I've applied. In future I might change my mind on that, I don't know. But in the meantime, because it's a Creative Commons license, you can download and print these for yourself. Hope you found this interesting. Hope you find the STL files useful. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.